Beautiful spring day here, end of April, early May. We just had a lot of rain. Look at this, all the rain on the road. All had to be leveled back. It happens every time we get some heavy rains, which is what happened, but we need the rain. Look, everything is green, nice. Nothing compared to last summer, so hopefully it will stay as green as nice. And let's go down to the animals and get a little farm update here on how they are all doing. Hey Fabio.
Yeah, I'm gonna
with all his ladies and sons and daughters here. And we have more, one on top. We have a few here. Huh, Fabio? Yeah?
Fabio's like, yeah, I'm a big daddy.
Oh yeah, he's a big daddy for sure. This one is Peanut, our first female, who's delivering almost exclusively twins and triplets, huh? Peanut? She's your favorite, Fabio. I know. I know. So I think we still have a few boys left in there that we might not keep.
The big one right there, the one with black, is a boy.
Oh, he's a boy. He's actually very pretty with tricolor like this. But he doesn't have blue eyes, does he? I'm not sure actually. Yellow? Yeah, he's not dark. I don't know. We have still, I think, two younger boys that they're gonna have to go. We cannot have too many competition. Fabio is the man here, right, Fabio? You're happy in your new clean pool? Are you? Yes, you're in front of the door. I need to get in there. There's plenty of eggs with the blue Swedish. Come on. Yeah? Yeah, that's not you're going the hard way. Alright, you know what? Let me open a bit to the blue Swedish. You guys, get in there. So we try to alternate who's out, who's in, and the blue Swedish haven't been out for a while, so you want out, guys? Because these chickens are everywhere. And here I noticed yesterday they're starting to have actually two nests. So let me get these eggs here, and over there we have a few. So going toward the area where we have our rabbits, squirrels, and some chickens, let me show you here. We have one of our pen with just Bresse chickens. We have one rooster, and I believe the rest are just ladies in there. Let me show you inside. So here you go, the Bresse chickens. The rooster over there in the back. You can see the blue legs and the ladies around. A few more here with two laying boxes. We just collected some eggs because they are pretty good layers. They are decent meat birds and very decent layers as well. Bresses? They're just pretty dirty right now instead of being so nicely white because we had a lot of rain. And as you can see here, it's all red mud, dirt, and that gets on their feathers. So they're kind of dirty white. And they like it, huh? You like playing in the mud. Hmm? Hey, Hop Hop. How's your day so far? Enjoying years. Oh. What's going on, Gizzy? You're trying to get to Peppa, huh? I know.
Yeah, they had an oinking fight just.
Oh, they had an oinking fight?
Yeah.
Hmm.
They're like oink 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 oink.
Well, they look quiet now. Huh? Gizzy, behave in front of the lady. Oh, Peppa. I know. One turkey egg. Hopefully a baby in 28 days. Let's go actually and see our babies here. So this here is the baby pen. All the babies, they've had a heat plate, heat lamp, and we do have a few sweet turkeys. Not many. The one right there, well, these two actually are turkeys. We have another two over there. We have a few, maybe 4, 6, I think. We have a few lost ducks too. Hey, turkeys. Yes, I know, you're the sweetest. I love my turkeys. We have a good mix. A lot of white, which are all the Bresses. We have a few Buff Orpington. Not that many. I see one here trying to hide. It's actually a blue Bresse. We don't have that many. Yes, you're a Bresse, and we have a Bantam next to it. And I have 2 ducks. Where are my ducks? Oh yeah, a little duck here, and I have a black one. Where is my black duck? Under the heat plate. What do we have under the heat plate? No, not that many. Where did my black duck go? Oh, there are just too many babies in there to know. I hope it did not escape. Yes, babies everywhere. It's hard to tell. So this pretty much our first coop now that we're getting in very warm temperature. We put them all together. And once they reach a certain age and growth, like this one, for instance, the white one has to go. The dark one, which is a copper marron over there, has to go as well. We transfer them to the next pen, which is the one next to it over there, where you got some young adults, teenagers, let's put it this way, before being upgraded to the next one over there where you have the actual adults. So it's actually an easy go here. We just pick them up and let them go on the other side right there. So here it's one of our Bresse pen, 1 rooster, 4 or 5 hens. That usually is the mix we have. I see my husband put a rat trap over there. But yeah, they've got food here, water over there. And let me, oh yes, they're pretty good. They lay about 1 egg a day, these chickens. So 3 eggs. Not bad, ladies. Not bad. More chickens here. So these are the blue Bresses. We don't have that many. We have a rooster and 3 hens. And here we have one, which is a black one. And she's sitting. That one has been sitting. We took her eggs at some point because they were not hatching and she started again. So we're gonna let her sit, and the others are, I guess, doing good. And my turkeys, as always, huh? You go everywhere I go, right? Yes? Yes, you do. So the greenhouse is doing really good. We opened the top just to ventilate a bit because it's starting to get really warm with the sun. We're end of April, early May, and it's getting there. The fruit trees, I think here it's a plum tree. We have 2 plum trees. We have some apple, peaches. All are doing nice. I think actually one of them, yeah, we're feeding our bees here with some sugary water. Apple. I think the peaches are starting to show. Yeah, this one is a peach tree, and if you can see, we're starting to have some peaches growing. Yes, that is exciting. Exciting. I think that one is another peach tree because I see the peaches as well. Yep. So let's go and see. Collect the eggs over there. I came to collect some duck eggs because they're laying like crazy, these ducks. Hi, Mew Mew. Always watching and wondering what people are doing here. Huh? Yeah. Very curious birds. So here we got another pen with the just Bresse chickens. We have some mature Bresses as well as some younger ones. And here are my favorite ducks. And we just changed the water this morning. Can you believe it? It's been just a few hours. Just a few hours, both of them. Look at that. It's hard to keep up with this. How did you end up with chickens in there? Here's the garden with the bad bees, the one that are not the nicest to stay away from, but they're doing really good. Hopefully they'll produce honey this year. And so here's the garden where we started planting. So you have a row of corn here, 3 rows of tomatoes, and we have some peppers over there on the side, and toward the back that's been planted and you don't see that much. You've got all the vines. So we have some sweet potatoes right over there. We have some eggplant over there. Here are all the herbs. We got some coriander, mint, so a variety. But yeah, sweet potatoes all the way back. And here we have some cucumber and squash. So we still have plenty of room to grow. And today it is about planting peas. So I'm gonna get going here and plant some peas. So it's just been raining so much that the ground is really easy to work with. So it's really a pleasure right now to plant all this. It goes in really quick. So that's one of the last one I have to plant here. I'm doing it one-handed, holding the camera. So easing up the roots here at the bottom and covering it up. But that is very much it. It is so moist at this point. So easy. There we go. So we have a whole row here of peas, and at the end we just have to set up some trellis, just like what we did here with the tomatoes. And that is it. And then we wait and wait and wait to get the peas. You're taking a rest? You're breaking it down now. That's your house. Yeah, I know. Peanut. You like it there? You're heavy, girl. And we got goats everywhere. More over there. Where's Fabio? Oh, Fabio is there. In the back. Hiding behind the tree.